All right, last one for chapter 8. This is another quirky thing, and this is another shape that you may not know off the top of your head. Volume of a parallelepiped. Okay, this is a three-dimensional figure, which we call a polyhedron, if you remember that from geometry. So it's a polyhedron with faces, those are their sides, that are all parallelograms. Okay, so the volume is actually equal to something called the triple scalar product. What that is the dot product with the cross product of two of the vectors. These can be in any order. It will work out. Safe to say, excuse me, if you're checking these though, just take whatever they give you as the first one, put it first. Second one, second, third one, third. So we're going to go through and we're going to do all of that. Now, notice these are all going to be numbers. And so you're not going to get a vector. You're going to get the dot product, which is a scalar. So you're going to get a single unit as your answer. Okay. So for this particular one, I'm doing the volume of my parallelepiped. These would be my three vectors that come from a point in space. So 4, -2, -2, 2, 4, -3, and 1, -5, 3. And I guess I didn't need to make it that long. So I'm going to leave myself some space. This one is going to be, now this is not an I, this is a 4. So I'm going to have 12 minus 15 times, instead of an I, it's going to be times 4. Okay. Minus. This one's going to be 6 minus a -3 times a -2. Plus, this is going to be a -10 minus 4 times a -2. So I'd have -3 times 4 minus 9 times -2 plus -14 times -2. And at some point you can certainly just plug this in your calculator, but this is going to be a -12 plus 18 plus 28. So I have 6 plus 28 or 34. And this is cubic units because it is a volume. Now, for both the area of a parallelogram and the volume of a parallelepiped, because you are doing a dot product, it is possible to get a negative when you find that scalar. Volume is always positive, area is always positive. You need to know that. You need to make sure that you take the positive portion of it. Okay, so if we had gone through and done this and I had gotten a -34, my answer would have been 34 cubic units.